How to add a cross mark in your document. Alright, let's get straight to the point. The mystery of the cross mark. Whether you are editing the document or Excel spreadsheet or the PowerPoint, which is in PDF, Adobe Acrobat would be a helpful tool. First things first, open up the PDF where you want to add a cross mark. I have already opened mine. You do so too. Now once you're inside, you can see a table menu over here. The option that is required to add a cross mark is e-sign, which is right over here. Simply tap on it, and that will open up this type of interface for you. Now you will see fill and sign yourself over here. From here you can add a cross mark, tick marks, dot, and many more. As we are going to add a cross mark, simply tap on cross mark, which is over here. Tap on it, and that will give you a cross mark over here. Now place it where you want. For example, I want to place it on this course objective over here. Tap on it, and it's done. You can see it over here, and you can even edit this one from here. We can make it smaller or bigger, and if you want to delete it, simply use this delete icon or the dustbin icon over here. And the most easiest way, you can adjust the size from here too, like this. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to add a cross mark in your document. That's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.